Here is everything I eat on a lifting day. So I've got my lunch here, my supplements here, and my dinner here. Here we go.
In 2010, thought I was doing something. And now I'm rapping with a crew or something. I guess the track don't really stick unless he's gluing something. And I never fit.
This is a full day of eating and everything that I eat in a day on a workout day. So when I lift, I always do days of high carbs, low fat, and high protein. It's the best for muscle growth. So I'm gonna cook this all for you and show you what it looks like. Here's my lunch. I have rice that I cook in bone broth, and I mix some ground venison in it. I put some pickles on top, some coconut aminos. I sprinkle that with salt, and my probiotics come from the beet kraut. This is the best way to increase nitric oxide. It's not those pills that you see all over Instagram. So I'm gonna cook this up, and I'm telling you, it tastes like a cheeseburger when it's done. It's hard to believe, but it does. My snack is about a pound of berries, some cottage cheese, and a little bit of raw honey. So that's my lunch. It's usually about 1,800, 1,900 calories. I take my supplements with my lunch. Now, I pack these about 7-8 days in advance, so if I'm on the go, I can grab them. So I do some bone marrow, NAD+, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, creatine, colostrum, cow powder. So all the supplements that I take. And then my dinner, about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. I've got about a pound of bison sirloin, some Bubby's pickles, and then my dessert, some chocolate.
We can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost you found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down and say, we can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost you found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down and say, about time that I get back. Yo, I'ma get back. We can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back. Yo, I'ma get back. We can hold it down.
This be the fourth year in the promised land. Watch it, I promise, man. If you ain't looking close, we gon' look like an industry plan. Flex it, I really can't. This is a higher plan. I'm walking with the sun.
You got the meat, right? But you got the beets, which is kind of like ketchup-y in a sense, and you got the pickles and the rice cooked in bone broth, which is almost like a potato bun kind of vibe. Dude, I'm telling you, you master this all together, it's so good, man. And the coconut aminos and the salt on top, that combination, I mean, I crave this. Like, people say eating healthy is boring, like meat and rice is boring. Dude, cook it in bone broth, put some salt on it, put some crunchy pickles and some beets, some coconut aminos, mash that together. My God, it's literally a healthy cheeseburger. I could eat this every single day. This is everything that I eat in a day. It's all cooked up. Here's my lunch. I've got my jasmine rice cooked in bone broth. I've got my venison. I've got my pickles, my beet kraut. We've got coconut aminos. We've got salt on top. It's incredible. After that, my dessert is gonna be cottage cheese. I've got some raw honey. I've got some strawberries. Chef's kiss. Dinner, a couple pounds of potatoes. I've got a pound of bison. I've got a couple of pickles. My dessert, probably a few chocolate squares. We'll see what happens. This is everything I eat in a day. I'll put the calories, I'll put the macros at the end. I'll talk more about it in the description. This is generally what I'll eat, very similar on lifting days. I focus on high carb, high protein, low fat, fuels muscle growth, keeps me feeling strong. I'm gonna crush this.
Watch it, I promise, man. If you ain't looking close, we gon' look like an industry plan. Flex it, I really can't. This is a higher plan. I'm walking with the sun, so close, I'm on fire, man. Burning up, I'm so OT with a gold goatee. My fruit to bear is oh so he. I owe your beats, and rappers look like pour your meat and flow your sweet, so your soy like so.